I'm Dr. John Sajadi, the Chief Technical Advisor of InitVerse, also a research specialist from Deakin University, founder of Carbon and Real Estate Metaverse. Thank you for inviting me to give a keynote speech at Ethereum Riyadh 2023. InitVerse is a blockchain project dedicated to provide secure, convenient, and efficient server solution for Web3 platforms. Our goal is to become an essential infrastructure for all Web3 products. Today, I am honored to introduce this exciting project. Let's dive into it. What is a decentralized cloud service platform? In decentralized cloud platform, the data is stored in a distributed manner across different servers and different nodes. And each server and each node can actually independently operate and manage that particular data. As far as safety concerns, this will be the best option, which is designed very similar to BTC platform. If we were to compare the traditional cloud versus decentralized cloud from architecture and computing, purposes, and why InitVerse has chosen the path of decentralized cloud solution, we need to look at the data storage, security, availability, performance, and cost. So we can find out the advantages and disadvantages of why we think decentralized cloud will be the place to be. Data storage perspective in a traditional cloud computing is usually stored in centralized data centers, which are managed and controlled by a single service provider. In contrast, in decentralized, as I mentioned before, the data is stored in a distributed manner across multiple nodes in the network, and each node can independently operate and manage data, which provides, in my opinion, a better security solution for decentralized cloud system, because in a centralized cloud system, the computing it mainly relies on a service provider, while the data is in centralized cloud performance in a multiple nodes, making it difficult to obtain complete data at the same time. From the availability perspective, the decentralized cloud platform with multi-node deployment has a greater ability to prevent widespread failures. Unlike traditional cloud, they can be easily concentrated resources on a large scale, but decentralized cloud computing has a higher limit in achieving large-scale parallel computing solution. In terms of cost, traditional cloud computing is a capital-intensive industry, while decentralized cloud servers mainly rely on consensus mechanism to incorporate idle servers into the network. The core idea of decentralized cloud service platform is to use blockchain technology and distributed network technology to establish a public, transparent, and tamper-proof distributed computing and storage environment. InitVerse is a decentralized cloud computing marketplace that aims to redefine the cloud market by providing a cost-effective, highly flexible, and secure cloud computing service. Therefore, one of the largest users of InitVerse is computing services, especially those who require low cost, high flexibility, and secure and reliable services. In InitVerse protocol, we are introducing AnyChain, which is InitVerse's protocol. This protocol token operates on a new proof of resources, POR mechanism. The blockchain is created by service providers and validators. The AnyChain protocol token facilitates the provision of secure, efficient, and cost-effective services by coordinating service provider resources. How it works is that the users acquire token and pay token to access cloud resources. Validators earn tokens by providing POR proofs. Cloud service providers earn tokens by providing cloud resources and staking tokens. Auditors earn community rewards tokens by auditing cloud service providers. The AnyChain protocol is built of 5 different components. Decentralized cloud service platform, USD, UDS, new proof of. The AnyChain protocol is built on 5 different components. Decentralized cloud service platform, UDS, new proof of resource, POR mechanism, verifiable market, effective resource proof, and smart contract. Our protocol is built on 5 different components. Decentralized cloud service platform, UDS, new proof of resource, POR mechanism, verifiable market, effective resource proof, and our smart contract. You can see our various functional models below, but firstly I'll be introducing proof of resources. Then I will go to our consensus participation rules, and then our POR challenge algorithm, and our smart contract implementation, and finishing it off with consensus algorithm functionality. POR resources, or we can call it proof of resources, is a new type of novel operation which relies on the collaborative operation of validators and providers to create blocks. Our approach is an interactive protocol in which the power of P and commits to provide a declared amount of cloud computing resources and then convince validators through the challenge protocol that has indeed provided the declared amount of cloud computing resources. Validators then submit the result to the chain to prove to other validators that the provider has indeed provided and declared amount of cloud computing resources. This approach can prevent attacks such as cyber attack, outsourcing attack, and selfish mining attacks. Cloud service providers play a very important role of providing servers that meet official requirements to our platform. These servers needs to be verified by our validators before they can join the network. This decentralized architecture makes our system more secure. More secure and reliable because no entity is controlling any part of the network. In addition, server providers can actually mine blocks to our clients. During the mining process, if you stake, there's a chances of, if you're staking our tokens, there is chances of you mining will be successful process. You'll be more successful if you mine, if you stake our token. You'll be more successful if you stake our token if you're a miner. In other words, the more tokens you stake, the more successfully you mine, which is very similar to what's happening with Ethereum at the moment. Validators are providing a very important role in our platform. Their responsibilities are to cover multiple aspects that includes auditing the servers, cloud service providers, participating in chain verification, maintaining the chain and mining blocks, participating in community governance, and completing decision-making autonomously among validated nodes. Auditor is a tool that can audit all cloud service providers with the aim of helping users choose the right cloud service provider. Auditor can conduct comprehensively audit of all providers and label providers with problems or characteristics, such as security, performance, and stability. When deployed, cloud server users can choose to filter certain labels to better select cloud service providers that meet their needs and requirements. Basically keeping all cloud service providers in check. And if there is a problem, we have a targeted punishment system that the cloud provider service will receive. This will ensure that cloud service providers can provide a good service and protect their interest and the interest of their users. The auditing process is automated, which is basically provides an analysis of security, network performance, infrastructure, and measures the detailed reports for users. Auditors also, our system is automated. The auditing system is automated and provides many different type of tools such as analytics of security, infrastructure, network, and security measures that generates details and generates a details report for our users to select a better service provider. Our auditing system is automated using different and various tools of AI and the techniques to evaluate the reliability of the cloud service provider. It basically keeps everyone in checks to make sure the infrastructure, network security, and generates a detailed report for our customers and users to select a better providers for their needs. Our user can enjoy the rich features and services in our platform. These features are included deployment of your own smart contract or transferring funds and more at the same time. We also provide a cloud marketplace where user can purchase their favorite cloud service to meet different application needs. To facilitate the deployment of user application, our platform provides a staking definition language, or SDL. SDL is a YAML-based language, or in other words, a human-readable serialization solution used to describe the deployment environment and configuration of our application users. We can define the resources and services required by the application as well as their dependencies through an STL file. Users can use the command line tools or web interface provided by InitChain to deploy their own application or smart contract. We also provide some of the tools and services to help our users to better manage and monitor their application once it's deployed on our platform. To understand it better, I need to explain what is our poor challenge algorithm. The poor challenge algorithm of our platform is divided in two sections. Number one is computation. Number two is verification stages. The entire process is shown in this figure below. At InitVerse, we use Solidity-based smart contract for our users, which is providing the scalability function that cater to their needs. In our blockchain, we provide three different contract roles, which are provider factory, audit factory, and validator factory. And I'll go through each one of them for you to understand it better. So first is provider factory contract. Mainly provides functions such as creating provider identity, reporting resources, pledging tokens, and providing collateral. The auditor factory contract mainly provides functions such as creating auditor identities, reporting audit information, and query audit information. The validator factory contract mainly provides functions such as creating validator identities and pledging tokens. The InitVerse consensus algorithm is a resource-based proof of reputation. Its core idea is to use POR challenge of validators to verify whether the resource provided by providers are legitimate or it's false. Specifically, the operation process of this algorithm, we can see the following. The following is a lucky value settlement formula in our algorithm. This particular algorithm process is designed to continuously supervise the resource quality of providers and ensure that they can continue to provide reliable services. This is our competitive table below, and we can see currently most of these competitors are storage projects. There are relatively few projects like InitVerse that aim to create a decentralized cloud server. This is because creating a decentralized cloud server project is complex, presents high performance challenges, and has significant technical difficulty in the field of blockchain projects. Our roadmap to upgrade our poor resources consensus to incorporate zero knowledge, proof, ZK, optimizing blockchain storage, utilizing Snark and Stark to enhance blockchain snapshots, introducing a more concise STL syntax, enabling support for traditional features of Kubernetes, implementing Kubernetes container security isolation, introducing a layered consensus protocol that allows users to partition operation or continue processing transactions in a temporary or permanent positions, enhancing the quote model, improving the deployment update model, establishing a proof model for user storage resources, ensuring persistence of user storage, developing a solution for selling decentralized storage resources, implementing a security scheme for users' containers to verify and prevent illegal providers, conducting game theoretic analysis of InitVerse incentives. These aspects will be upgraded in our coming future. InitVerse is currently undergoing internal testing. It is expected to be publicly tested in December 2023. We will regularly announce the progress of our project and some exciting events and our media channels to our supporters and community members internationally. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you like it. I think there's a lot of exciting and more to come from InitVerse. Thank you.